If you want one thing in life that can lead to success, that is focus. Your ability to focus determines your level of success. Welcome back, everybody. This is Towards your mentor here. Today, in this video, I want to teach you how you can focus and achieve success as a trader. To be successful in life, you need only one key element, that is focus. Focus is the only key element that makes you successful in life. Even if you're very intelligent and you don't have focus, you don't focus on only one thing, you don't focus on something, then you achieve nothing. But excuse me to say, even if you are a stupid person or you are somebody who is not very intelligent and you focus on one thing, no matter how bad you are, you definitely hate it. So as we know that focus is one key element that can lead to your success as a trader, then how do we focus as a day trader? How do you focus on trading? How do you focus in this industry? I've always been saying that the industry is very broad because in this trading industry, we have Forex, we have crypto, we have indices, we have stocks. It's all about trading. Becoming a trader is the most important aspect of all. You must first learn to become a trader. After you are a trader, now you can select any of the asset classes. We have a saying that Jack of all trades is a master of none. Yes, I used to be that when I was a little younger. I was doing everything. Because I was good at anything. But later, I realized that I have to focus on specific things. I have to focus on specific aspects of life, things that can grow. So I decided to jet all my energy towards one single thing. That was to become a network engineer. So I put in all my effort to become a network engineer. But today, I'm not here as a network engineer. I'm here as a trader. But I'm just using the scenario to just make you understand what I'm trying to say. To become successful as a trader, to become successful in trading, you must have focus on specific things. You must allocate all your energies into specific things and be focused on that. People always say that even if you're holding a magnifying glass, right? And if you want to burn a paper and you don't focus on one aspect of the paper, you can't burn anything. Yes, you are here as a trader or you are here on this YouTube channel because you want to learn how to trade. So you either want to make a lot of money, right? You either want to make a lot of money or you want to be able to quit your job and become a full-time trader and trade from home. The things your normal job could not give you, the freedom, the financial freedom, the time freedom, and what? The ability to be your own boss that the traditional job could not give you, or the ability to make as much money as you can without even going to write an application for increment in your salary or your paycheck. This is why you came to trading. This is why you want to be a trader. And this benefit still stands because we as traders, that's what we enjoy. We are always free. We go wherever we want to go. We sleep the time we want to sleep. We wake up the time we want to wake up. We follow our schedules, but we are completely free. We decide what we do. This benefit still stands. But the question is, how do you also enjoy the same benefits? To make this possible for you, then you have to focus on one thing in trading. Focus on one single concept. In trading, we have so many concepts. We have trading with indicators, price action trading. We have open interest trading, open interest analysis. And you know that me too, I trade with the currency trade meter. There are so many concepts. Not strategies, concept itself. So there are so many concepts that you can find in trading because there are billions ways to trade the forex market or the indices market or the stock market. But you must focus on the concept that makes you feel good, the concept that you understand better, that relate to you. Some people, they are very, very good at indicators, which means they like just to trade with indicators. When you teach them anything aside indicators, they can't get it, which means they must focus on only trading with indicators and master only that aspect of trading. Others are very, very good with price action, which means that they must focus on only what? On price action. Or you are somebody that if you see somebody talking about candlestick patterns, chart analysis and other things, which means you're very good with price action, which that's where you have to focus. You have to focus on only trading with price action. People are very, very good when it comes to demand and supply and support and resistance. Focus on that, guys. Focus on that. If you don't focus on one aspect that you are very good at, if you don't focus on what you think you can be good at, and you do almost everything, then you achieve nothing. Let's say you've learned about support and resistance strategies and some system, some concept about support and resistance. And then later you saw somebody talking about, let's say, trading with Fibonacci. Then you drop your strategy, you drop your whole concept that you've learned. Then go and learn, hey, what is this? This tool, is it Fibonacci? Yes, it's Fibonacci. How do we use it? Meanwhile, you have a system that somebody is also using, which is working. Demand and supply, it's always working, right? If you understand the concept of demand and supply, then you are always going to find a way to trade it in a different way. But because you don't focus on that, you see somebody talking about Fibonacci, you go and trade Fibonacci. You see somebody talking about smart money concept, you go and trade smart money concept. Everything you want to hear, you want to focus on that, guys. Can you become profitable? You cannot. You must focus on the things you think you're going to be good at. Okay, you have to take some time to learn the whole Forex industry. Then you focus on the concept that makes sense to you, the concept that relates to you, the concept that makes you understand it better. Then you get all your energy towards it and you focus on that. Only that you become profitable. Let me give you a scenario. Let's say you want to be an accountant. You hear somebody say, I want to be a nurse, I want to be a nurse. Then you jump, oh, okay, then let me be a nurse. So you went to school for 1 year or 2 years. Now you did not complete the school. And then you jump to go to nursing training or nursing college. Then after nursing, you saw somebody say, I want to be a computer programmer. Oh, IT is the best. IT is the best. Let me go and do IT. So can you imagine within 6 years or 10 years, now you've done so many things. Nursing, accounting, IT. Now you came to IT. You realize that, oh, IT is very, very broad. Somebody's doing AI. Oh, AI is good. Let me go and do AI. Oh, this is cyber security. Cyber security is good. Let me go and do cyber security. You do almost everything. And now you're a master of nothing. You cannot achieve success in that way. So you must focus on one aspect. Okay, this is what I stand for. This is what belongs to me. This is what I want to do. So I must focus on that. I must get all my energy towards that particular concept in trading and let me master it. That's the only way you can achieve success. So if you like supply and demand concept, then search for only strategies about supply and demand concepts. Trade only those concepts, which means you have to master the concept itself as supply and demand. So you are a supply and demand trader. Simple. If you like open interest analysis, which means you have to search for anything about open interest. Maybe here's a guy talking about it and it was interesting for you. So you have to search for it, search for how to trade with open interest. And if you like it, you begin to trade with it. Only that one and you master. Then later you can add something else. But you must focus on what you're good at first. All big entrepreneurs, all the huge business guys, all the huge businesses have only one thing in common. They have the ability to focus on their business until their business becomes successful. It doesn't mean they're not going to face challenges. They face challenges, but anytime they face challenges, they make sure that they overcome the challenges. They do their best to overcome the challenges. And the more you overcome your challenge, then you grow. It gives you a step ahead. That is how we grow as an entrepreneur. Trading is an entrepreneurship game. It's a game of business. It's not a hobby. It's not gambling. It's a game of business, which means that you must have this same trait if you want to become a successful trader. People want to become successful traders, but they are not ready to acquire these traits. They're not ready to live their old life, learn some new skills. They just think they just want to buy and sell on a chart. Hey, teach me how to buy and sell on a chart. That is just very funny for me. Because the chart is not the business. Trading is a business on its own. So you must acquire the skills and knowledge as an entrepreneur. You must have the habits of being an entrepreneur. If not, you cannot become successful in trading, no matter what you're going to do. So I'm advising you that focus on one thing. Learn some trades that makes you become very good and focus on only that concept. That's all. Only those concepts and become a successful trader. This is Owas, your mentor. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Or if you want to be very good at trading, you want to focus on one thing and you want to be able to make some money out of the market as fast as you can, then you are always welcome to join my mentorship program. Okay, if you want more information about my mentorship program, just go down below the video description and you can always find the details to contact me to join my mentorship program. I take only a class of 10, so anyone who is always ready to be focused and to master maybe my skills, the way I trade, want to trade like the way I trade, then you can join my mentorship program. But if you want to also learn about how somebody also trades, then you can join the person also mentorship program, because you must focus on one thing. If you like the way I trade the current trade meter and the way I analyze the market, then you must also follow my steps, right? The same way. If you also like some concept about smart money concept, I don't trade smart money concept, right? I don't trade smart money concept, which means if you want something about smart concept or ICT concept, then you must also find somebody who trades those concepts, right? If you want to join my mentorship program, you are always welcome to join. Sometimes some people want to join the mentorship program, but they think, oh, let me try to see if I can trade it. Let me try it myself. Then they deposit their money in the market and they lose it. They deposit, let me try it with $500. Let me try $500. Then they deposit $500 in their account, and because they think they can try, they will try and they lose their money. Now they deposit another $1,000, then they lose it. Now the money they were supposed to use for the mentorship program, they've wasted it on the market. Now they come and call me, or they will chat me. Hi, Mr. Seth, I want to join the mentorship program, but I don't have money to fund the program. I don't have money. My account is blown. So what should I do, guys? The amount you were supposed to just take only $100 or $200 just to join the mentorship program. You didn't do that. You wasted the account on the market. Now you're coming to beg me for reduction or whatever. I won't do that. The mentorship program is $100. If you're always ready, you can always register. I take a class of 10. All those who are ready can always register at any time. Anytime you just want to enter, just send me a message. Hi, Mr. Seth, I want to join my mentorship program, and then I will take you from there. So that'll be all for this video. This is always your mentor, and see you next time.